Hello, today we will guide you through how to add logo to email signature in Outlook. In this walkthrough, we'll add a logo to your email signature using Outlook on the web. I'll keep things clear and simple and share a few helpful tips along the way so your signature looks professional and displays reliably. First, open Outlook in your web browser and make sure you're looking at your inbox. This ensures you're in the right place to access settings. Next, go to the top right corner and select the Settings gear icon. This opens the Quick Settings panel. From here, move into the Full Settings area so you can manage account level options. In the Settings, open the Accounts section, then choose Signatures. This brings up the signature editor and any signatures you may have created before. If this is your first time, the list will be empty. Choose Add Signature to create a new one. You'll be prompted to name it. Enter a clear, recognizable name so you can identify it later, especially if you plan to keep more than one signature for different purposes. You'll now see the signature editor. Place your cursor where you want the logo to appear. If you plan to include text like your job title or contact details, think about whether the logo should sit above the text or alongside it for the best balance. Open the Insert menu in the editor's toolbar, then choose Picture. This will open a file picker so you can browse your computer or device. Navigate to your logo file and select it. PNG and JPG files work well. A transparent PNG often looks the cleanest on different backgrounds. Aim for a reasonable size, around 300 to 400 pixels wide is a good starting point, so it's crisp without making your emails heavy. After inserting, the logo will appear in the editor. If needed, click the image to adjust its size using the on-screen handles. Keep the proportions locked to avoid distortion. You can also press Enter to add spacing above or below, ensuring your text and logo don't feel cramped. If your organization uses specific brand guidelines, match those here. When everything looks right, select Save. That's it. Your signature with the logo is now stored and ready to use. If you later want to fine-tune spacing, swap the image or update the name, return to the same signatures area and edit as needed. You've successfully added a logo to your Outlook email signature. Thanks for following along.